Todd Mitchell is the Director of Educational Leadership for Empower Plus Virtual Communications, LLC. As a 19-year veteran educator that believes that virtual educational opportunities is the wave of the future and should be accessible for everyone in a virtual, structured manner. The goal of Empower Plus Virtual Communications is to develop and educate by fusing together various current technologies in order to enhance and assist in the development of day-to-day communications. This concept ultimately sparked the idea for the national nonprofit organization called Empower Plus Community Outreach. This program's purpose is to create a positive impact through a range of community services. Empower Plus Community Outreach is committed to improving the quality of life for school-aged youth who are at risk of educational failure, teen parenting, truancy, and juvenile delinquency by promoting and embracing fundraising, job readiness, parental readiness, health fairs, children's safety, and most proudly, mentorship. There are 4 initiatives under the outreach program. The first of the initiatives is the 1 Million Male Mentors, also known as OMMM. Male mentors are recruited to serve our male youth in many large metropolitan cities. OMMM's primary responsibility is to provide early prevention and intervention services through mentoring relationships. 1 million male mentors, men changing the world, one young man at a time. In an effort to identify and celebrate the academic achievements of our youth mentees, there is a scholarship fund. With the rising cost of college tuition, it is Empower Plus Community Outreach's goal to financially support and encourage our leaders of tomorrow. Sometimes the application process can be an intimidating process, so this program offers assistance with navigating through the process more efficiently and stress-free. There are also 2 health initiatives. Prostate cancer is a disease that plagues many men. This disease claims the lives of thousands of men annually. A portion of all donations received by Empower Plus Community Outreach is awarded to the funding of prostate cancer research. These donations have helped with the increased numbers of FDA-approved treatments for the disease. A third of all proceeds made through annual fundraising by Empower Plus Community Outreach goes towards the research of a disease that haunts our community and claims the lives of family and friends on a daily basis. To get involved with these initiatives and to donate, please visit the Ultimate Educational Social Network website, firstglance.com. The goal of firstglance.com is to provide state-of-the-art technology by using various virtual communication tools to enhance the communications within your school, business, and community. Empower Plus Virtual Communications and firstglance.com, the ultimate educational social network and the future of virtual communications.